Hello everyone. So today is 31st of July and let's discuss what we are expecting and also what we discussed in the last video. So last video में हम लोग clearly discuss किए थे कि FIIs ने दोनों तरफ बाइंग किया है, कॉल बाइंग भी किया है और कुछ FIIs कॉल बाइंग भी किया है और कुछ FIIs पुट बाइंग भी किया है, ठीक है। तो और प्रॉपडेक्स ने पुट बाइंग किया था, लेकिन आज मार्केट ऊपर चला गया, ओके। सो ऊपर जाते वक्त वी हैव शॉर्टेड निफ्टी एट अराउंड 19,650 and then when it went around 19,700, that around this zone we have further shorted, but it went 50 points up, okay. So still we are holding our short positions and we'll see what happens. Why are we holding our short positions? Because this is very usual, like this is nothing new. Many will say many things, but you should understand that when जब भी डेटा पब्लिकली अवेलेबल हो जाता है तो तब मूव नहीं आते, ठीक है। तो नॉट ओनली दैट, लाइक इवन ऑन हियर थर्सडे, okay, Thursday you see that market like Wednesday market did not fall and it went up, okay. Then Thursday you see that there was a gap up and after that there was some selling, right? So these things happens. This is very usual because people go like blindly go and buy puts. So the thing is that we did wait for a chance and first it went up and then we shorted and averaged it out. So let's see what happens to tomorrow. So even talking about our indicators, so there is a huge gap that has been created. So yeah, in the morning this gap was created and so the scores were bullish, okay. The scores were showing strength and Nifty came up, but after that this is the ending, like where the huge gap has been created between Nifty and the score. And here also the same thing for BankNifty also, you can see like in the morning the gap was filled but not in the afternoon, okay. So this gap majorly which is seen in Nifty, this needs to be closed tomorrow. So that's the thing. And talking about US market, so US markets are almost flat, but VIX is up. That is the US VIX, okay. So not the Indian. So Indian VIX also jumped today in the morning. And now talking about the other data, that is the end of the day data. So if you see here, the EOD data here is suggesting that FIIs have not done any short covering. So if you see the short covering on the call side, FIIs and PropDex, they haven't done it. It's the retail traders who have done short covering, okay. And talking about the other data, that is put writing has been done. अब ये जो majorly put writing है, that has been done in FinNifty, okay, because tomorrow we have our FinNifty expiry. So this has been majorly done in FinNifty, but again let me remind you that FIIs and PropDex, they haven't done any call short covering, okay. So talking about option chain, if you look at the overall data, it suggests that FIIs are bearish. PropDex are like on both the sides, they have taken equal amount of positions. Talking about their put buying positions, so if you look at the put buying positions, so PropDex have heavily shorted, have heavily done put writing. So they have like used those put buying to cover up their put writing positions that have been taken today. But again, since majorly the major chunk of these positions are taken in FinNifty, so this is the put writing amount and this is the put buying amount. So put buying has been done to hedge these positions which are for next the next day expiry, okay. But if you see the put buying quantity which they did take it here, so those were mainly in Nifty and majorly Nifty if you say, okay. So the thing is that if PropDex अभी भी मतलब put buying को close नहीं किया है, and for FIIs it clearly shows, like look at the put buying quantity and add it up with today's put buying quantity, okay, and add up the two put writing quantity that has been done yesterday and that has been done today. Okay, you will see that put buying quantity is still more. So still I mean FIIs needs to, like, they have their huge call writing positions as well as they have their put buying positions still intact. So they have to, like, I mean they took the call buying positions also. So I mean they took the market up to close those. So as soon as they are done with those, like these heavy positions that you see here, so I mean things will start coming down. So it might happen that, like, I mean the put buying quantity, so they are still, I mean keeping it intact, because I think over the period of today or the day after, they are expecting some fall. Because if you see here in futures, so futures also, like, they are not increasing or closing their futures long positions and building up futures short positions. Okay, so futures short positions have been built up over the past few days a lot, okay, by the FIA. So please do stay cautious. And prop dex futures, no activity, almost no activity. They are just closing on both the sides. Some futures long positions have been built up, but overall if you see, no activity. Even if we come here, that is FIs have sold in the cash segment, but also 31st July they have sold for 730 crores in the futures, and in stock futures they have sold for 612 crores. So FII is a little bit bearish I think in the near future, or I mean within 1 or 2 days we will see the movement. But till then, like, again, if you notice here, that is like option chain data is majorly suggesting that FIIs are heavily bearish, but prop dex are on both the sides. If you look at futures prop dex no activity, FIIs are again bearish. So overall, again, data is looking bearish, and that's the whole point. And so upside will be limited, and that's my final verdict of what's going to happen. So we might see a little bit up move or something, but then some selling might start. Okay, so I mean we should see some selling in 1 or 2 days. And tomorrow is FinNifty expiry. We will be majorly focusing on the FinNifty expiry, and also the positions that we are carrying forward. And that's the overall view of the market. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.